Hello friends, welcome to Pawan Soft channel. In this tutorial we will see how to write the singleton class using Bill Pugh Approach, right? And if you didn't watch my previous video, right, how to break the singleton using clone, reflection, using serialization, and how to create the singleton using enum, right? And eager initialization, lazy initialization, so many classes there. So if you didn't watch my previous video, please go and watch, and if you are learning from my video, please subscribe and share to your friends so that they can also subscribe my channel, right? And let's create the singleton class using Bill Pugh Approach. So let's create it. So what is the Bill Pugh Approach? So first write the private constructor, right? Then after private constructor, write one inner class. So private static class, right? So singleton inner, you can say, right? You can write your class name as per your requirement, right? So I'm writing to understand this is the singleton inner class, right? So inside inner class I'm going to create the instance private static final, right? So this instance new singleton using Bill Pugh Approach class, right? So I have created this. You can see I have created this instance of this singleton, right? And here let's write the public utility method public static, and this is the class singleton class, return type singleton class, and get instance. This is the utility method. Inside this utility method return. So from this utility method you have to return this instance. So this is the inner class, right? And this is the static member. So how will you get this instance? So using class name you can get, right? So using class name dot instance, right? From this utility method I'm returning this instance. This is the inner class. Inside the inner class we're initializing, right? Initializing the singleton instance. So singleton class is ready. So now let's write the client code. And in client code let's write the main method. Let's create the instance, right? Instance 1 singleton using Bill Pugh Approach class dot get instance, right? So this is the first instance, this is the second instance. Let's print it. This is instance 2 and instance 1, right? Let's run the class. If you see both objects are the same, right? If you print the hash code of these two objects, right? Instance 1 and instance 2, you can see both hash code is same, right? Because this is the same instance, only single instance is returning, right? So this is the singleton class of type lazy initialization, right? Because when we are calling this get instance method, then only this class will load and this instance is returning, right? And this is thread shape, right? This is the thread shape and this is the lazy initialization. So if you see, if you create the thread shape and lazy initialization, this is the best approach. Using this in this approach, you no need to use the synchronized keyword or synchronized block, right? And directly create the singleton class and write the private constructor and write this inner class. Inside the inner class, let's create this singleton instance, right? And from this utility method you can return, right? So using these 3 steps you can create the singleton class, thread shape and lazy initialization. So this is the best approach. If you want to write the singleton class, you can use also this approach, right? So this is the thread shape as well as lazy initialization, and this class will load only when you call this get instance. When you call get this instance method, so you can see this singleton class inner class dot instance, right? Where loading means when you call get instance, then this instance will create. So this class will load and you will create this instance, right? So this is the lazy initialization and also this is the thread shape. So that's it from this video, and if you really learn something from this video, please subscribe my channel and please share to your friend, right? So that they can also subscribe my channel, and please like my video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video with some new topic, right? Thanks for watching.